Engines roaring, stomachs growling, welcome to Epic Food Challenges, your pit stop for the most daring culinary face-offs. Today, we're unearthing 5 food challenges that will make your jaw drop and your stomach quake. First up, the legendary Monster Burger Challenge, a mountain of meat, cheese, and an avalanche of toppings. Our contenders brace themselves against this towering titan in a battle against the clock. Next, we crank up the thermostat with the Spicy Noodle Inferno Challenge, a fiery bowl of noodles that will set taste buds aflame and eyes watering. Then we dive into a sea of sweetness with the Dessert Extravaganza Challenge, a marathon of monumental milkshakes, sky-high sundaes, and decadent desserts. From the saccharine to the scorching, we present the Spicy Wing Showdown. A flock of fiery wings, a test of true grit and tongue tolerance. And that, folks, is the grand tour of our gastronomical gauntlet. Join us next time for more edible insanity on Epic Food Challenges. Keep those appetites whetted and your culinary courage at the ready.